Do you want to learn how to create something like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way of creating GIFs. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, welcome. Join our wonderful growing family by subscribing, and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So let's get to it. For this tutorial, we are going to be using one of my favorite websites in the world, Canva. If you guys know me well, you know that I absolutely love Canva.com. And interestingly, they do have a wonderful GIF creation feature on the platform that really works well. I just want to call out that in order to use this feature, you need to be subscribed to the Canva Pro plan in order to have access to the feature that we're going to be using today. I currently pay $10.99 at the moment, at the time of this filming. So if there's something you think you'll be using in your business a lot, then it's something I would recommend you investing in, because it does level up your graphics. It does make a difference in your graphics. So if there's something you're interested in, then I would encourage you guys to opt for the Pro plan. So let's just get to it. You click on the create a design, and we'll select the Instagram post dimension. Once it's opened, we need to start inserting the elements that we're going to be needing. So I am going to be creating a promotional post for Instagram for a video I've just posted on YouTube. So I'll first change the background color of the workspace to the Acehouse signature green, and I will insert the thumbnail I want to promote. So the thumbnail for the video I want to promote. So I'll go to upload, and I'll just grab the thumbnails I've already created before. Okay, I'll position that roughly in the middle. And the next thing we need to do is to insert a text. And this text will say new video out. Yep, that looks about right. Then we are going to create another text to go below the image that gives the followers some more details about where to watch the video. And the final element we need is a sticker. So you go to the left hand panel again and you select elements. So Canva has wonderfully made animated GIFs available in its library, so you can search for animated arrows or animated stickers for particular shapes that you want, and you can see like an array of different types that you can select from. So I'll just select an appropriate one for my design. So if we go to see how that looks at the moment, it looks good, but it's in a video format and there isn't any animation applied to it apart from the sticker. So we need to go to animate, and here you see different transitions that you can use and apply on your designs. There's this block effect. You can try fading it out, rise, tumble. There's a stump effect. Yeah, so you guys have a lot to choose from. I personally prefer the pop effect. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, so what we need to do is to convert the format to a GIF. So we go to download and change the file type to GIF. So I would normally now download the design and then upload it to any social media platform of my choice. If you guys have any questions, please put it down in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and again, please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section how this video has been helpful, and if you have any video requests as well. I'm also taking that. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen. See you in the next video.